Alright guys, this is just a quick video to show you how to use Melodyne 5. It is built into Pro Tools, and I do have auto-tune on, and I laid this line down just now right here. But you know, I was a little off key. I suck at singing. So I'm going to show you how I make the already corrected auto-tune better with Melodyne. So here's what it sounds like now.
Break these chains, but the grip's so tight. Break these chains, but the grip's so tight.
So as you can see, it's not on key perfectly. It is changing keys at the wrong times. A couple of the parts were a little shaky, so let's make it sound better. So right click, Melodyne, edit. And then let's start over here. And let's get everything on key. Let's click the main tool right here.
Break the chain, but the grip so
Alright, let's hear what it sounds. Everything's on key.
Break these chains, but the grip's so tight.
Okay, let's get everything a little smoother. So we're going to click this one, go down one, pitch modulation tool, smooth this one out.
Break these chains, but break these chains, but the grip so. Break these chains, but the grip. Break these chains, but the grip so. Break these chains, but the grip so tight. Break these chains, but the grip. Break these chains, but the grip so tight.
Alright, it sounds decent except for this part. I don't know if you could tell, but I want to go tight. So I want like 3 steps and it just goes tight. It just has these 2 steps. So let's see where it needs to break.
Break these chains, but the grip so tight.
Sounds like it needs to break right in the middle for that step. So we're going to go to this little break tool right there. Double click, break it. Back to main tool. Put that on the key. See what it sounds like. See if it needs a transient sweep.
Break these chains, but the grip so tight.
Yeah, that's definitely not the smoothest. So let's go to pitch modulation. Not the second one down, the one at the top, just pitch tool. And you see these little like roller coaster hills. You got to make those a little smoother, and then go to modulation. I might need to modulate.
Break these chains, but the grip so tight. Break these chains, but the grip so tight. Break these chains, but the grip so tight. Break these chains, but the grip so tight.
Let's go to transient tool again. Let's see. Yeah, that needs to get smooth. There we go.
Break these chains, but the grip so tight. Break these chains, but the grip so tight.
That's closer. I'm still not happy with it, but it's definitely close. Let's see.
Break these chains, but the grip so tight.
It's not bad, but as you can see, you can definitely use this and all of its tools to make it sound better. I think it already does sound better. Let's hear it one more time.
Break these chains, but the grip so tight.
So if you guys want to see me do anything else, just talk to me in the comments. What did I not do that you want to see? And I'll make a separate video for it. Thanks.